I'm a graduate student in the Shlanov group at the Florida State University. I'm very excited to tell you about my research in polymer chemistry, but safety first. Polymers are big molecules formed by the repetition of smaller molecules. It's like a train with many cars, and each car is a monomer. They occur naturally, such as DNA and cellulose, the main component of wood. But we can also make them in the lab to produce useful materials, such as rubber and plastics. The polymers we work with in the lab are charged, and we call them polyelectrolytes. When we mix positively and negatively charged polyelectrolytes, they're attracted to each other, and we get a completely new material called polyelectrolyte complex. We also like to call it cheese. No, not that kind of cheese. This complex can be stiff or rubbery depending on how much water and salt it contains. The complex can also be processed using a polymer extruder that molds it into fibers, tubes, tape, and other shapes. Another approach is to use these polyelectrolytes to make special coatings. We place layers of positively and negatively charged polymers on top of each other by dipping a substrate back and forth in different solutions to create a very thin film or coating. These coatings are micrometers thick. That's comparable to the thickness of a hair. Although that's really thin, it can make the surface water resistant or prevent rusting. Nature has always inspired scientists because it has found solutions to the problems we face. For example, plant leaves have a special surface that allows water droplets to roll off easily. We are trying to create similar coatings that have self-cleaning abilities and promise exciting applications. It's really amazing how polymers have revolutionized every aspect of our life. Now, scientists and hardworking graduate students have to figure out the next generation polymer technology to solve today's problems.